What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Travis. Of course, this is TW Motorsports, and today, probably something you guys have been waiting for a little while, we are going to pick a winner for the BeamTech lights. In a few videos back, I talked about if we got to 15,000 subscribers, I would do a giveaway. So the BeamTech lights and a hat of your choice as far as color goes. And so today we're going to do that. And I know, guys, the poor Trans Am it's covered in dust, but I thought it'd be a good platform. And I'm sorry it's so echoey. The weather's just, it's raining, it's crappy. But anyway, like I said, we're doing the giveaway, and what I've done is I have listed or entered all of the names in basically a Word document or a Notepad document, and so I can download that into a random picker that I downloaded or I got off just a Google search. So pretty dummy proof, other than the fact that it took me a couple days, and that's why it's taken me so long. I know I'm at like 15,400, and a couple people have asked what's going on, who won, and it's because I've been typing all these names. And if the names were like Jim or Ben or something like that, those are easy to type, but a lot of times, you know, you guys have the type of car that you have in there, or underscores, or they're really long, and so I wanted to type that entire name in, so that's what I did. So hopefully I spelled them all right. I think I'll be able to figure out who won based off of the name, though. I don't think it's going to be a big issue. Anyway, what we do is we drop this file into this random picker, and it will randomly grab somebody. But before I do that, guys, I really want to thank you for the 15,000 subscribers. Obviously, this channel has grown a lot, and hopefully it continues to grow. And but anyway, thank you so much for commenting, subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, everything that you guys do, all the stuff, all the comments, even good or bad. You know, I've had a lot of people say that you didn't blink, or you should have done this, or you should have done that, or recommending tools. All that stuff really helps me out, guys. So I appreciate those comments, and definitely keep doing that. But let's see who the winner is. So like I said, we'll go grab this file, and once I pull it up, it should put all the names in. So you can see all these names. I want to say there was like 300 and some names. And then we'll hit the pick a random name. And it doesn't take very long. I tested it a couple times with just a few names to make sure I wasn't just typing this and nothing was going to happen. So the winner is Christophosaurus Rex is the winner. So this is what I'm talking about. Like, names like this, it is incredibly hard to enter those names. And so that is the winner. And what I will do, guys, is I'll reach out to you in the comments section and see if I can get your email address, and then from there we'll go to like mailing address and whatnot where you want me to ship them. But congratulations to Christophosaurus Rex on winning the lights and a hat of your choice and color. But guys, hopefully this was something that was fun, and that we'll do more of. So maybe at the 25,000 mark, let me know what you think I should give away. And no, I'm not going to give away a car. As a matter of fact, I don't even think it's legal in Missouri for me to give away a car. I don't know that. I'm in Missouri. I know a lot of YouTube channels give away cars and stuff, so I don't know really the legal aspect of that. But hopefully we could do more giveaways like lights or hats or any kind of merch, of course. But let me know in the comments what you think I should do in a giveaway next. Should I wait to 25,000? Should I do one at 20,000? We're closing in on both of those things. But once again, guys, thank you so much for your support on the channel. It really means a lot. And honestly, I'm not doing this for money. I'm just doing it because I like to work on cars. It's literally something that I do all the time. And I just thought, wow, I might as well film this. And hopefully I'm getting a little bit better as far as editing and talking to the camera. That's the hardest part, is being out here talking to you guys through a camera and getting no feedback right at the moment. So hopefully I'm getting better. Anyway, guys, I think that's it. It's a relatively short video. I wanted to get the winner out there. I know a couple of you guys have been asking about it. So there it is, Christophosaurus Rex. You are the winner. So guys, I'll probably post this video up really soon. And like I said, let me know in the comments what you think we should do for the next giveaway. But until then, thanks for watching.